What factors should be considered when purchasing a corrosion coupon? 1. Coupon material. The coupon material must be exactly the same as the pipe material. If the material is different in composition, the corrosion rate will be reported incorrectly. 2. Coupon surface roughness. The coupon surface must be the same as the pipe surface. In steel coupons, a glass bead surface is used, and in stainless steel or copper coupons, a polished surface is used. 3. Coupon dimensions. The coupon dimensions indicate the surface area involved in coupon. If the dimensions are not standard, the wrong surface area is entered in the formula and the total corrosion rate is calculated incorrectly. 4. Coupon type. In addition to affecting the size of the coupon's surface area, the coupon type is effective in determining the corrosion mechanisms present in the pipe. Line pressure and the presence or absence of pigging affect the coupon types. Contact us for more information.